Well, here we are, folks. We're up in Tut, Yorkshire, and we're at my mum and dad's. So this is the Yorkshire Air Museum II model collection. This is my dad's collection of models, some of them. So my dad has been collecting the Fleet Air Arm from pretty much after World War II. So we have some trainers. We have Firefly, Sea Fury, Sea Hornet, and an Attacker, the Royal Navy's first jet aircraft. Then we have the Gannet ASW-4, Avenger with a radar, Seahawk, Sea Vixen, Wyvern. I like the Wyvern, big beast of an aircraft. I think that's a Vixen. That's a Sea Venom. Vixen 4-1. Buccaneer S1, my dad's redoing the ejector seats. Sea Vixen 4-2. The mighty Fleet Air Arm Phantom. Buccaneer S2. Gannet Cod. And a Royal Navy Meteor. What else is in the museum? We have a Sikorsky helicopter, which is having its tail rotor fixed. Got a Bristol Super Freighter, just needs the 4-bladed propellers. We've got this, which is a Saunders Row kit, which just needs finishing off. Then we've got another Meteor. We've got Space Junk, Avro Lancastrian, another Meteor. We've got some weird prototype aircraft, another Meteor. That's the ejector seat test bed Meteor. Meteor Night Fighter, another Meteor Night Fighter. I think that's a Swift. Hunter, Lightning Trainer, Saudi Lightning, RAF Phantom, F3, he's got a GR4 in the loft, Euroflop, and another Euroflop. Then we've got the AE3D Sentry. Then over this part of the museum we've got some commercial junk, Avro 748, Jetstream, some more commercial rubbish, Halifax, Herald, and then these. And that's my mum interrupting.